Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the Capital One banking app, what it's like to use, the features it offers, what I like about it, and a few things that could be better. First off, one of the biggest strengths of the Capital One app is how clean and user-friendly it is. The home screen gives you a quick snapshot of all your accounts, your checking, savings, credit cards, and even auto loans or business accounts if you have them. The interface feels modern, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even if you're new to mobile banking. Everything feels responsive. You can swipe between accounts, tap to view recent transactions, and access important features without a lot of digging. Depositing checks is simple. Just use your phone's camera and follow the prompts. You can also transfer money instantly between your Capital One accounts, set up scheduled transfers, and send money to other people with Zelle without leaving the app. Another big plus is the security tools built right in. The app supports biometric logging like Face ID and fingerprint access, which makes signing in fast and secure. You can also lock or unlock your debit card right from the app, set up alerts for things like low balance or large transactions, and get real-time fraud notifications if something unusual happens. For credit card users, the integration is great. You can see your available credit, track your rewards balance, redeem miles or cash back, and even get personalized offers without switching apps. The app also includes helpful budgeting and insights tools. Capital One shows your spending trends, categorizes your expenses, and gives you quick balances so you can keep an eye on your money without jumping into reports. On the flip side, there are a couple of downsides. Interest rates on savings accounts shown in the app are lower than some online banks, but that's more about the accounts than the app itself. Some users also feel that certain features can be a little buried or take a moment to find, especially if you're trying to do something less common, like ordered checks or set up specific notifications. Customer support through the app is mixed. You can message support or get help through secure chat, but response times can vary. If you need immediate help, you might end up switching to a phone call. Overall, though, the Capital One banking app stands out as one of the more polished and powerful mobile banking apps available. It combines easy everyday banking with solid security, rewards integration, and useful insights, all in a clean interface. That's it for this review. If this helped you learn more about the Capital One banking app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions or want reviews of other banking apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.